Steel end coupling. Compression type from ELECMAN. Constructed from zinc alloy material with zinc-plated finish. This coupling offers corrosion outstanding resistance for long-term field performance. Its compression-style design creates tight, reliable connection to join to sections of EMT. Metallic tubing without set screws. UL listed and compliant with UL 514 standards. It maintains continuous grounding integrity and strong anti-vibration capability. Comprehensive size range covers 1/2 to 4 inches to satisfy various project specifications. Fast and simple to install on site. It is widely utilized in residential, commercial, and industrial wiring applications to deliver secure, stable conduit joints.